This software is built to help you manage thousands of products. So we've added a product import feature in batch inventory to make that easy. Upload your full product list with the import tool and save hours of manual work. So far, we've added only 2 products manually, and the system has just 1 category. Stay tuned as we demo the category-wise import feature. You'll see how easily you can import all your products at once and save hours of manual work. In the Action button, you'll find the Import Products feature. It takes you straight to the product import section, where you must upload an Excel file in the correct format. Click the Download Import Format button to save the template to your device. Fill it exactly as shown and then upload it to import all your products quickly and safely. This import template is very simple and lets you import all your products in just a few minutes. Open the downloaded file to see the layout. It may change over time, so always download the latest template from the portal before you import. Copy-paste all your products into this Excel template. Make sure each product has a truly unique code. And remember that the product remark column is optional. Also keep the category name exactly the same as in the system, because if the name differs, the importer will create a new category and your products will get added there. So double-check spelling and consistency before uploading. Save and close the Excel file. Then select that same file in the Product Import screen and click the Process button. Your thousands of products will be added in seconds. The system imports everything into the product master instantly, saving you hours of manual entry and making your catalog ready to use. As soon as you click Process, all products from your Excel will be added to the system instantly. And the importer will show a clear summary of how many products were added and how many new categories were created. It will also display any errors it found and will automatically skip products that already exist in the system, so you avoid duplicates and can fix issues before reprocessing. Now let's open the Product Master and check how your products were added. You'll find every product listed neatly, category-wise. As you can see, the import completed successfully and all items are in place. We've kept the import feature very simple so you can start using the software for your business right away. Now I will show how to create a simple inward transaction. Click the 3 dots on any product and choose Add Inward Transaction. You can select the default batch or create a new batch, and you'll see the batch stock count on the right. For this demo, we will use the default batch. Once you select the batch, a quantity dialog appears. Enter the number and click Update to add the item to the cart. In the cart, you'll see both the current stock and the quantity you entered. Then click Add Transaction to finish, and the system will update the stock for that item. As soon as you save the transaction, it's added to the system, and the product's stock count updates immediately and accurately. Imagine doing this for hundreds of products every day. With batch inventory, you simply pick the product, select the batch, enter the quantity, and in a few clicks, the stock is corrected with no complicated steps. In just a few seconds, the transaction completes and your stock count updates in real time. So your inventory stays accurate without any hassle. If this helped, please like the video and subscribe. See you in the next video, where we'll show step-by-step how to give limited access to your staff. Connect with our team using the links below to start organizing your stock across unlimited companies and warehouses. See you in the next video.